girls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing my 4-month Loc update. I actually can't believe it's been 4 months already. I'm almost at my coveted 6-month mark. I can't wait to get to that point. We are almost there. If you are in the early stages of your Loc journey, stick with it, keep going. You're gonna be so rewarded and fulfilled when you reach those benchmarks that you've been dreaming of. So just stick with your journey, be patient. I'm going along with you because I've already had Locs. This is my second Loc set, so I'm really just experiencing these early stages for the first time in a way, because I don't remember the early stages of my first Loc set because I was so young. I was like 10 years old. So anyways, I'm so excited to finally film. I have been super busy lately. If you didn't know, well, you wouldn't know, but my husband and I run our own business, our own restaurant, so it's taking up a huge chunk of my time. Obviously, it's a lot of work, but I finally have a moment to film, so I wanted to get this video up. Enough of me rambling, let's just get into this Loc update. So this is going to be a much shorter video than usual, just because from month 3 to month 4 not a lot has changed. So I'm not going to repeat things that were in month 3. You can just go back and watch that update, but I will be showing you close-ups of my hair. So the first different thing that has happened in month 4 is that I can wear this cute little style now. I have been dying to do something different with my hair other than a side part and a middle part, so I'm excited that I can finally do 2 little puffs. Cute, right? Yeah, there isn't too much to update you on. I mean, my hair is growing. I already have a lot of new growth coming in, so that time is coming around again where, like, I have slippage in the back. That time is coming around again where I have to start thinking about retightening soon. What else is different? I started taking vitamins, hair, skin, and nail vitamins. So we'll see how that impacts my hair. But yeah, I think that we can just get into this 360 because everything is pretty much the same. I still have frizz. I still have slippage. I'm still doing the same hair care routine. Something I didn't mention before is that when I do want to refresh my hair, I use a spray bottle of water with a little bit of peppermint essential oil, just a couple of drops, like 3 drops in the spray bottle, and I spritz my hair with that. That keeps my hair refreshed in between washes. But that's pretty much like the only update that I really have, because I'm just letting my hair do its thing. So let's get into this 360. So as you can see, there is a lot more length. Obviously there is still shrinkage, like that's my shrunken length and that's my stretched length. So you can see the difference, but we're getting more volume, a lot more fluffiness, a lot of frizziness, as you can see. I'm still not putting any product on my edges. much it for my 4-month Loc update. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.